Tell me why Starbucks line up for so long. Wanna tell me why? Hi guys, so I'm gonna take you with me to the car wash. It's a bright and sunny day today. My lip then dry. You know, I no dry lip around here, no cracky lip. Cause that not cute. Ain't cute at all. I have quite a little stuff to do on the road, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. Put on a little hat because the ear not so cute and I need a hat. But yeah, we all have those kind of days. Yep. What am I doing? So, but just wait, so this is my morning face. I'm a little hungry. I'm not gonna eat that whole heap. I'm a foodie. So I'm gonna reach out the car wash now. Open sesame. Okay, in there already. Let's go. So this is where I'm gonna soap up it now. Then put the water, then soap it up. You hear that? Thunder! Anybody will come up with an idea? Come up with a good idea. This is really good. If somebody ever wanna listen to Jamaica, they would have made a lot of money. It's a really good idea. Rain is falling. I got big thunder. I got big shower rain. Now, car got dry off now. Then the side there. Then I'll rinse it off now. Right? Then I'll rinse it off. Now see? Red lights. Now it's gonna dry off. So then I think they blow it. Make it dry. And then this are the buff and shine. Then this are the buff and shine. Yup. Buff and shine the car. You wait and then you go. So I'm gonna clean the carpet. So I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna show you how it come out. What we can't hold on our way. So I'm there at the ear store now. There's something we need to get in at the ear store. So I'm gonna see if they have it. Lashes. Let me see.
You know, he don't know how to sit down and hey, Nicole.
Ladies, comment down below and let me know what kind of lashes you normally buy. We know the mink one them, but me I try. Look if you see it. I don't know. I make this. No, I know this. I know this.
I hanged up the few over here, but I really don't have a lot of room. So I just did a little, without. That's over.
This I don't eat. May I look for it? I can't find it. Them have them, yeah? But no, I know this. I know this me I look for.
You look tired.
I know this me I look for. Alright, we'll go find out. Look what I want here.
I understand. Listen, everybody, no pregnant.
I need them. I look for a mousse. For a curly headband wig when I have. Which part then there? Look at wigs. You know who would I love this? My cousin Chantel. She would I get lost in here. A lot of wigs. But me I look for the mousse. The mousse. How much part of there again? As better see that spot here. Boy, my sister very would have do well in that spot here. It's her favorite spot. Very is your favorite spot. You want to buy something for you? It's a very favorite spot. Chantel's your favorite place, your wigs galore. Where do you have your mousse?
7.
7? 7. Okay. See the Shanti wig scan down, my cousin. I know say you with a dash for yourself. Alright, so me using a wig here and I'm a curly wig, the mousse here. This me use, this me know. So if you know any other. Alright, so me say I use this in my wigs. So if you guys know any other products for like curly wig where you can recommend or where you're using your wig, let me know. Me I use this for a while now, but me don't know if it's the right thing me I use. Just comment down below and let me know what you use. Because see that them have a lot of different ones. So this is what we really need. And yeah. So other things for the ear, a lot of jam, edge control, all kind of something. Ear can done. Alright, so I'm gonna pay for this and then I'll be back. Remember the candy machine here. I love them candy here. This is the only sweet I really love. Who remember this? Are still around, but who like them gums here as well? So I get something to eat. Me there Starbucks. Wanna tell me why Starbucks line up is so long? Wanna tell me why Starbucks line up is so long? What time now? Because it's a minutes to 11 and this is the first meal I'm gonna have from morning, so this would I consider my breakfast. But me don't know what makes Starbucks line always long, so no sir. Wanna come in and tell me why Starbucks line so long? Wow. My face shine, but because I have sunscreen, I gotta wear them sunscreen in the sun. I'm good. How are you?
What can I get for you?
I like a cheese Danish. Can I have that warm?
Sure, you can.
What's that thing called again? Is it green tea, matcha,
Yeah.
frappuccino?
Yeah.
Sorry, I always get it, but
Size. What else today?
can I have that with a little more vanilla?
Yeah, we can have vanilla.
Yeah,
today.
just sweet, yeah.
And the whole milk is okay?
Yeah. Warm. Sorry.
That's okay. And
It's
then
a
I
hot
got
day.
It is. Oh my goodness. And then I got a grande matcha cream frap with vanilla and no whipped cream.
Yeah, no whipped cream. Thank you.
And your total comes to $20.76 at the window. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you. 26 something. It's a lot. 26 something. That's a lot. Boy, the sun is hot. Yeah, shiny face. Gotta be shiny because we need that sunscreen. You know that easier. Can't afford to burn up my face.
That was going to be $20.76. Thank you so much. All right, there's our matcha. And we got the chai tea.
Thank you.
There's our card back for you.
So this is what I got. I love this. This tastes so delicious. But I get whipped cream sometime, but today I not feel the whipped cream, but this is really, really good. So comment down below and let me know what's your favorite thing to get from Starbucks. I love this. So good. And we get a cheese Danish. I love me some cheese Danish. Alright guys, so this is the end of today's video, and I will see you in my next vlog. So stay safe and bye for now.